In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam slow disk usage. If your downloads crawl, spike and drop, or your install speed seems stuck at a tiny number, this quick tune-up often gets things moving again. We'll adjust your download region and clear Steam's download cache, two simple changes that target common bottlenecks without touching your games or save data. Start with Steam open on your computer. Look to the very top left of the Steam window for the menu bar. Click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. This opens the control center for all your client preferences. If you're on a different operating system or an older client layout, the wording may be slightly different, but you're aiming for the main settings panel. On the left side of the settings window, select Downloads. This is where Steam manages how and where it pulls game files from Valve servers, and it's often where slow disk behavior begins. In this section, find the Download Region drop-down. Choose the region that's geographically closest to you. If you travel, use a VPN, or recently reinstalled Steam, it might be set to a far-off location by default. Picking a nearby server reduces latency and helps avoid overloaded routes. If the closest city is consistently congested, try another nearby option to see if performance improves. Once your region looks right, stay on the same downloads page and clear the clutter that can slow things down. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask for confirmation. Go ahead and accept. This removes temporary download data and resets the client's connection to the content delivery network. It does not uninstall your games or delete your library. It just wipes cached fragments that can create stalls or loops during downloads. After clearing the cache, Steam will restart and you may need to sign back in. When Steam reopens, resume your download or update and watch the behavior. You should see steadier throughput and fewer pauses as the client connects cleanly to the correct region. If speeds still dip, try switching to another nearby region and repeat the cache clear to refresh the connection again. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. Make sure your drive has a healthy amount of free space so Steam can unpack files smoothly, and keep the Steam client updated so you benefit from performance fixes. With your region set correctly and the cache cleared, most cases of slow disk usage in Steam resolve right away. Enjoy the faster installs and get back to your games.